Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we will be talking about the upcoming snowstorm for tonight into tomorrow commute and lunchtime. So, what we're talking about is a moderate snowfall. Not anything too big, not anything just a dusting. I'm saying as of now 2 to 4. Now I'll get into the specifics in a bit. But for now, let's just check out this model. So this model is the GFS. We see heavy snow right here in parts of North Carolina, Tennessee, getting in on some action there. North of Tennessee, Ohio, Pennsylvania getting some of that. That area around there. So, we're gonna look at the next hour. Let's see here. All right, so this is around 6 hours from now. You see that snow. It's such a large band of snow because you got the precipitation all the way down near Texas, and it goes all the way to Pennsylvania. So that's a long stretch of precipitation. The heaviest is down near the Gulf, but the heaviest snow is up here where I'm circling. That little line down there is the heaviest rain. So you're going to see it like taking this track right below Connecticut in the GFS model. GFS model is saying a bit more snow as of now. They're the ones saying 2 to 4, in European is saying 1 to 3. So a lot of places are going with the GFS, a lot of places are going with European. So it just comes down to what really happens at this point. But here you see that stretch all the way from now Connecticut to the Gulf, which is such a large radius for a snowstorm that could only bring a few to a moderate snowfall. I'm saying a moderate snowfall for most of Connecticut, especially southern New Haven County. But the worst of the snowfall, I would say, could be New London because each model shows that they would start off as rain but turn into heavy snow. And that's the whole thing about the difference in the models. That GFS is bringing that heavier snow much northern in the state than the European. The European wants to keep that heavy snow in southern Connecticut, but that GFS wants to bring it up. But still, either way, they're very similar as of now. But the totals could make a big difference. The track is very similar. The accumulation 1 to 3 and 2 to 4 is not a huge difference. But it's a moderate snowfall. Bigger snowfall, obviously, for GFS. You can see here, I'm going to get a better GFS model in a bit, but you can see that heavy snow just off the coast after it's pulling out. Light snow still statewide. That rain starting to densify down in Florida, New Orleans, Atlanta area, Georgia. Well, that's Atlanta. South Carolina and North Carolina starting to densify, moving out to the coast. Now you can see there's also some lake effects now around the lakes. Not a big deal. We don't really forecast lake effect snow unless it is impacting areas like the Northeast or way south of the lakes, but always nice to point it out. Okay, let's see here. So we're just going to run it through a couple days. Show the precipitation. We see a lot of coast-to-coast activity, especially snow as well. All right, so now let's look at some European models. European wax, I don't know what that is. Anyway, let's see here. So, I'm just going to let it through. Before I show this model, I just want to say, people in my area, we already have a 3-hour delay for our schools, so sleep in. Don't get up too early. Yeah, take your time. I'm thinking they could potentially extend it to closure, depending on the amount of snow we get. But 3-hour delay as of now. Okay, so this storm traveling a bit closer to the shore with the European model because they're saying not a little bit. Anyway, they're saying just a little bit less. Yeah. All right, so you could see going from Memphis getting some heavy ice, Nashville getting a mix, Lexington getting some snow. Washington, I think you're going to see more rain than snow due to the temperature. But in the upcoming weekend storm, that is still a lot to determine. Washington will be getting a lot of snow. Lexington on that heavy snow. Nashville, a wintry mix. Memphis, some ice at this hour. Atlanta is starting to get some rain, not snow. New Orleans as well, some rain. Let's go ahead. Lexington, you're starting to get a little bit farther from the storm. New York, wintry precipitation in New York City. Charlotte, going to get some rain. Atlanta, a moderate clip here. New Orleans, some heavy rain there. I want to say Brownsville. That's at the very, very bottom. Texas. There. Some rain as well. Impressive range as well. All the way from the Gulf to some parts of Mexico. All the way to the northeast in some parts of Maine. It's a huge one. I'm not sure what to say will be getting impacted. Where's the southeast or northeast? But either way, it's a impressive thing to see. Snow sticking around for quite some time here in both models as well. GFS, it just looked like it went a little bit quicker due to the fact that I was on the 6-hour thing. But this one we will be able to see much better when we get to that GFS. All right, let's do GFS in a little bit, actually. So you could see the snow is starting to pull away here. New York getting some heavy snow, or should I say New York City. Albany might be getting a couple of snow showers. Boston, wintry precipitation and snow. Rhode Island, good amount of snow, especially southern Rhode Island. So, impressive range. Atlanta, still getting some. Jacksonville might see some showers. New Orleans, starting to get out of the showers at that hour. I'm still working on the video. Anyway, New York to Boston, we could be seeing some snow. And then Atlanta to Chesapeake, some rain. Sorry about my parents, they're annoying. Let's see here. New York, some snow. Eastern Connecticut, light snow. Boston, snow. Charleston, rain. Atlanta, rain. South of Atlanta, some heavy rain there. Washington might see some precipitation, wintry mix. Not anything accumulating very much. Erie, Toronto, Detroit, Green Bay, some impressive lake effect snow. You can see that storm's just kind of pulling out a bit here. And I'll change over to the GFS model here. UK. Let's see if that works. Let's take a quick look at the ICN. It shows a lot more rain, some thunderstorms, especially south. But this one's saying quicker snow for especially Connecticut, and more wintry mix. This one, it's not really my go-to. It's not usually correct. But it's showing a lot of snow for Lexington, Nashville, just a bunch of wide range. So we're not really going to use the ICN much on this channel, but we might use it occasionally. I was just trying to check just a bit longer range. GEM. Let's check this one out. This one's showing a lot of snow, especially once it's moving in to the state, and it's showing a really good amount for us. So GEM is the most snow. European or ICN might be the least. Let's look at the GEM here. Up close in Connecticut, if I could get it to work. It's not working. All right, oh wait, it's working here. All right, you can see heavy snow statewide. And then it just glitches out again. All right, so you could get the picture of the GEM. This is the European model up close. Look, it's showing a lot more wintry precipitation, like mix. And it looks like it's about to pull out, but then there's an energy band that brings in heavy snow, western Connecticut and then eastern Connecticut. So a bunch of different models. If you get in a surprise band, there's something that I'm going to explain the definition of here in a moment. It's called an energy band. And the thing about an energy band, it's an unexpected band of snow. So think a band of snow is starting to pull away, but then you just get a burst of energy that brings it back in. This GFS model is showing a lot of snow for Southington, Waterbury, Meriden, Cheshire, Wallingford, Naugatuck, and southwest and southeast Connecticut is some of the most snow there. So I'm saying GFS is saying 2 to 4, 1 to 3 in northern West Connecticut, and then a coating or greater than 1 inches of snow in the northwest corner, which every model agrees on where the least amount of snow will be. So through Southington, Berlin, Middletown, Cheshire, Wallingford, Hamden, North Haven, Branford, New Haven, Shelton, Trumbull, Milford, Bridgeport, Fairfield, Norwalk, Darien, Stamford, Greenwich, Norwich, Wyndham, Westerly, and New London expect 2 to 4. Bristol, Watertown, New Milford, Hartford, Bloomfield, Vernon, Manchester, and Glastonbury, and Farmington expect 1 to 3. In Simsbury, Enfield, Stafford, and Torrington expect greater than 1 inches of snow. Let's take a look at the European model predictions. I'm saying mostly 1 to 3 statewide, but that northwest corner 0 to 1. So significantly, well, not significantly less, but an inch or 2 less on this model run. Keep in mind, GEM, I'm saying, says about 3 to 5. So definitely more than any other model. It's a potential that could happen, but it's most likely that we get either the GFS or Euro. I think the models are heading towards in between, but it always shifts in either direction in the upcoming hours. So I'll have to post an update tomorrow morning about which model actually happened or what's happening. So that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, turn on those notifications. I'll be back with an update tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.